Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BrcAutoBot token. Ticker symbol is BAB. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 3rd, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the BAB token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the BAB token is on the Binance Smart Chain. So far, they only have 9 holders, it says. So that's safe to say that this is a brand new token. And most likely January 3rd is their initial listing date period, because there hasn't even been any pancake swap transactions yet, according to their BSC scan. 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 10 million tokens. Now, they have a Telegram you could follow at BrcAutoBot Official. 9,181 Telegram members, 537 of them are online. And they have here, it says BrcAutoBot has the ability to filter through a large number of options and narrow down your needs, which empowers users to discover the perfect crypto tokens tailored to their preferences. So they have a Twitter, which I'm going to put on the screen right here, at BrcAutoBot on Twitter. It has 11,200 Twitter followers. Just joined in December. Very brand new token here. Their newest tweet is talking about how you can get this token off tomorrow, off MEXC Global tomorrow, January 3rd, 9 o'clock UTC time. You'll find that in their pinned tweet. So they're talking all about that. And like I said, if you need a referral code for MEXC, that's in the description box down there. Their webpage right here, BrcAutoBot.com. So if you go over there, you can find tokenomics, roadmap. You can try our bot, it says. So BrcAutoBot, we empower users to discover the perfect crypto tokens tailored to their preferences. With powerful filters and comprehensive information, embark on your crypto journey with confidence. Now, it says your gateway to crypto exploration. They do have a full white paper that you could check out. It says read our white paper. And it says BrcAutoBot was born out of the passion for simplifying the crypto experience. Our team of enthusiasts and experts came together to create a Telegram bot that makes navigating the vast world of cryptocurrencies accessible to everyone. Our mission is to provide users with the tools and information they need to make informed decisions in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. We believe in transparency, innovation, and user empowerment. So discover the BrcAutoBot on Telegram, your trusty companion in the world of crypto. This innovative bot brings the power of the BrcAutoBot platform directly to your Telegram chat, making token discovery seamless and efficient. So it has Ethereum gas and price monitoring. With the find command, the BrcAutoBot swiftly navigates through the vast array of tokens, ensuring you get instant results tailored to your preferences. It has top gainers analysis, a tool to identify top performing tokens in 24 hours based on volume and price, crucial for traders. Comprehensive burn tracking. Monitor and track token burns, customized for chat environments, essential for understanding tokenomics and supply dynamics. Also, zero tax token discovery, a specialized search tool for identifying tokens with zero transaction tax, invaluable for cost investors and traders. Now, age-based pair filtering they have as well, an advanced filter categorizing token pairs by age, like 1 month, 1 week, 1 day, 1 hour, aiding in risk assessment and portfolio diversification. They have the instant token search, and this will have the BrcAutoBot swiftly navigate through a vast array of tokens, ensuring instant results tailored to your preferences. Powerful filters. Enjoy the same advanced filters available on the BrcAutoBot platform, allowing you to refine your search based on tax, LP lock, LP amount, market value, volume, pair age, and more. Real-time alerts. So never miss a beat with the real-time alerts for significant market movements and updates, keeping you informed about the latest opportunities. User-friendly interface, so navigate through token information effortlessly. Thanks to the BrcAutoBot user-friendly interface designed for simplicity and convenience. It has on-the-go exploration, whether you're at a computer or on your mobile device. The BrcAutoBot Telegram bot ensures you can explore and discover tokens anytime, anywhere. Now, it says you get real-time alerts, mobile-friendly filters, seamless user experience. Now, how the token is split up, there's a 10 million total supply, ticker symbol BAB. 10% of the tokens go to marketing, and then the remaining 90% goes to LP. So that's going to be like central exchange and decentralized exchange liquidity. 0% tax. So you can get this token off of PancakeSwap, I'm sure, because they have the contract address on the page. It says 0% tax, so that would be for PancakeSwap, where you could go through the your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet after you fund it with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps and find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the BAB token using the contract address you could find on the page. Or you could get this off MEXC Global, and there is an MEXC Global referral code down there, and then fund your account with USDT, and then search BAB in the trade section. So those are the two ways basically to get this token as of now. There could be more listings in the future. Their roadmap starts with the introduction of the bot, initial token filtering options, optimized interface, mobile responsiveness, increase token listings and add LP lock status, real-time data, up-to-the-minute metrics, strengthen security, encryption, bug bounty. Then we have initiate a user forum, discussions and feedback, educational resources, introduce advanced filtering, mobile app updates, explore token listings and international markets. And then phase 3 is going to be explore partnerships, AI integration, major exchange partnerships, new features, feedback, and then decentralized governance. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the BAB token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.